Hey, it's Tom at Integrity Transmission and Auto Repair. Springtime is here, which means temperatures are going to be heating up. What does that mean to you? It means it's AC time. So if your car's Freon is low and you don't have quite the cooling capacity you wished you had, or maybe you've got a slow leak you've been nursing around, your AC compressor's locked up, or your whole system is shot, let us take care of you with a fair and honest bid to do quality AC work on your vehicle. You can come by and see us at 4232 East Interstate 30 in Fate, or you can give us a call at 972-772-4441. We'd love to help.